Noregon's goals are essentially to keep trucks on the road and to keep people safe. And we do that through the software that we have and the services that we provide through different companies.
The transportation industry is very important to our economy. As long as trucks are running, the economy is running. If our trucks stop, the economy stops. That becomes very important to me because I know that I'm working on a software that is helping these millions of people to keep those trucks on the road. It really starts here.
Attention to detail is incredibly important, and that's one of the things that definitely sets us apart as an entire company. Everything that we do, making sure that it's the little things, going above and beyond.
Here at Noregon, it's important that we get together and have fun on a regular basis. So each month we have an employee event.
It really is a family atmosphere. We're large enough to be impactful in the industry, but we're still small enough to have the family feel at work.
The easiest way to describe Noregon's culture is that we're a team. We recognize that everybody brings unique skills and talents onto the team, and we rely on each other.
The best thing about Noregon is the people. They're genuinely kind and empathetic and understanding. It's a very supportive environment.
It doesn't matter whether they're on your project or some other project. If you have an issue, everybody at this company is very willing to help one another out.
You know, we don't keep secrets at Noregon. Nobody has a closed door policy here. I can go knock on the door of anybody from the CEO down to any other member of the organization, and I know they're going to take time to talk to me and help me do my job more effectively.
We have the freedom to make the choices that we need to. We don't have a box that we have to think within that a lot of companies put you in. And our parameters are completely removed here. And so we're allowed to use creative thinking. We're allowed to go outside of the box and do the things that we need to solve the problems, and at the end of the day, take care of our customers.
If you like to be challenged intellectually and be surrounded by smart people, this is the place to be.